Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the Smart Sidebar on the OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So this is the Smart Sidebar, and it allows you to quickly access some actions or apps without even exiting to the main home screen. So you can, for example, launch an app or complete an action like screenshots by just swiping to the left and selecting one of these options. And if you want to enable it, the first thing that we're going to do is go to settings, and then we're going to scroll down to the accessibility and convenience, and here we're going to tap on Smart Sidebar. And here we have the Smart Sidebar toggle that we need to turn on, so it turns blue. And once it turns on, the Smart Sidebar is going to appear somewhere on the right of your screen, and you can drag it out like this by finding the little notch, so like this one over here, and just dragging it out like that. And this is my current sidebar, and you can customize it by pressing edit, and you can add different other things, for example launch apps or complete actions. So you have partial screenshot, partial screen recording, quick notes, and recorders. So if we add a quick note, then press down. Once we pull out the Smart Sidebar, we can tap on quick note, and you can immediately start noting something down. And as you can see, it's like in a floating window on your phone, so it's much easier to access. And once you're done, you can press the check mark, and it's going to be saved to your Notes app, just like a normal note. And to close it, we just tap the three dots on the top and press close. And that's pretty much it for the sidebar. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.